This is a poem called Lemon. Lemon. Lemon drops to life.
Start with sweet victory.
Sweet victory. Sweet victory. Sweet victory.
You could do that if you want, by the way. Poet's prerogative.
Happy, like my mom. Happy, like my mom. My house, polished by pledge. Thank you.
Yay! What? It's for Tiger.
Yeah!
This evening, we've invited two WITS students to read work developed with WITS writer-in-residence Rachel Kessler, a nationally known poet and performance artist and co-founder of the performance trio The Typing Explosion, who has been with the program for 3 years. Tigerlily will read a poem written in Jen Johnson's 5th grade class at West Woodland Elementary, which joined the WITS program 2 years ago. Many thanks to Ms. Johnson and to West Woodland's principal, Marilyn Loveness, for their enthusiastic support of WITS.
My poem is called Lemon. Lemon. Lemon drops to life. Lemon head candy. Lemon cake, like late spring. Little waves on a Greek sea, distinct, like an eclipse on a clear night, like the air fresheners at Home Depot. Do not swallow, it hurts. Yin and yang. Reminds me of my dad, my grandma's lemon tree in her backyard, and of my old fish. Reminds me of my grandparents' orchard, and somebody running in the woods at night. Pins and needles. Smells sweet and sour like candy, like cool night air. Pink lemonade, lemon meringue pie. Sweet victory. My dad, squeezing lemon juice on salmon. A smile, happy like my mom. My house, polished by pledge.